Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. This is regarding Pega training new batch that we are going to start from June month 10th onwards. The timings of this batch morning 8 am to 9 am. These timings are suitable not only for Indian students, people from USA and other countries also. These timings will be most suitable. The training duration will be 4 months. In these 4 months, we are going to cover Pega from basic level to advanced level, including integrations, agents, job scheduler, queue processors, listeners, and everything will be covered. Okay, if you are not having any knowledge about any technology, still you can join Pega training and learn in this particular course. And I'm once again telling that the date is June 10th, 2025, timings morning 8 am to 9 am. Every day 1 hour, 4 months of duration. And who can join this training program? Anyone freshers, anyone who are already working on Pega, if you want to learn and gain in-depth knowledge about Pega PRPC tool and its architecture, and also the students who have career gap after education like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, you can very well choose this course and you can get into Pega job and you can give a new beginning for your career. Students from 2020 onwards, you can get job as a Pega fresher. And for freshers especially, we are going to show the job opportunities with our client companies. And for the gap students who wanted to go into job, we will help in all the ways to get into a software job to give a new career beginning to you in IT industry. And the students who are working on other technologies or any part-time jobs or maybe working in BPOs and other kind of non-technical jobs, still you can learn Pega and get into Pega job where you can get good salary packages and get settled in your life very well. And moreover, apart from the regular course from basic level to advanced level, we are also going to include Pega Constellation full-fledged development into this particular Pega training batch. And the Constellation is going to give you the architecture details and the practical exposure to the latest functionalities and features of Pega tool. And you will be ahead in the market by learning the Constellation in Pega 24 version. We are going to cover total 4 projects in this course. In the regular course, we are going to make you to work on 2 projects parallelly, and we have a free training of 45 days post-training program where we are going to cover 2 other additional projects. The post-training program 45 days is optional for our students and that is also free of cost, which will really help you to gain more knowledge in Pega practically and independently work on Pega projects, as well as you will see your confidence level is getting boosting up with the post training program. So the students who is going to regularly attend and practice in the regular course, for them post training program is not required, but still if you see some low confidence after learning the 4 months course, you can join the post training program for free of cost where we will make you to work on projects independently with dynamic business requirements which we use in real-time projects. So the entire training program is going to be conducted with real-time projects from day 1 onwards. And I am repeating once again, the Pega training new batch is going to start from 10th June, timings 8 am to 9 am India time. This is night time for USA students and the duration is 4 months with 4 real-time projects. Thank you. We'll meet on June 10th. To inquire about this training program, you can right away call or WhatsApp on the number that is scrolling in this video. Thank you. Bye.